We've been fortunate enough to get the Grammy award-winning producer and DJ Afrojack.
1, 2, 3. Hey man, kill it.
And you know, I'm from Holland, so we have a very big soccer following. When I started my career, like the first time I played in America, I was here in LA, and I think it was at EDC together with Insomniac, and so I always had a special relationship with Los Angeles, and now that they let me rock the jersey first, that's amazing, and it looks good. It makes me look good. It was crazy, but especially because of those crazy people over there, they really made the party happen for me. It was amazing.